Good morning. Come. Oh.
Cheese.
Good morning.
Good morning. Peace out.
Sit up. Had a good sleep? So this morning I slept in Zylah's bed.
Yep. And her made me a story last night.
Yep. Because she's so spooked out about monsters. But there are no monsters, right?
There are monsters. They're on there. And in my bed. Under my bed too.
They are not under your bed.
There is monsters under your bed. And there was skeletons and witches and skeletons.
Oh, Lord.
There was a mommy one and a daddy and a baby one.
Well, do you know what we got to do today?
Huh?
You know what we doing today? Where we got to go?
Atlanta.
What class do we have today? Today is Wednesday.
Wednesday.
What class?
Swimming.
Yes.
Now I'm scared underwater.
No, you're not. Come on, we got to get dressed. I'm going to take my shower and make up your bed, please. Can't believe I fell asleep in her bed. See, you doing it. Bring it over more. Keep pulling. Thank you.
No, it's like this, Mom. You like them?
Yep.
Look. They're not backwards.
No, they're not backwards. You did very good.
Yay! These ones are smaller. I like these ones. I don't like the big ones.
Okay, come.
I like
You gotta fix your
small
bow.
ones.
You gotta fix your ponytails.
Okay, look. Your show, because down below, you like a radio show, my mommy radio show, my radio show.
You gotta wash your face too and brush your teeth before we leave. My face breaking out, y'all. Look.
Yep.
So I'm trying to stay off the makeup. I really think it was my.
And my face got pimples over
Your
here.
face does not have pimples.
Look.
Your face is beautiful.
And look, this is a small pimple right here.
You don't have any pimples. Mommy have breakouts because of my dirty makeup brushes.
And look.
And I tell you, you gotta wash your makeup brushes.
Yep, and
Stay still. Come. Here we go. Today, for real, today you are getting your hair braided with beads. Beautiful though.
right, Mom?
Stand up.
Bye-bye.
Stand up. Stand up.
Oh. Hello, guys. Yay. Now, ow.
Are we ready?
Yep. Hands up. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday!
All right.
You want to help me? I can't do it. No, not that one. This one.
Here you go. Go. Let me see that tongue. Ah, let me see that tongue. Okay. Over here.
Cheese.
Get on the sidewalk. Sidewalk. Baby.
Okay.
Are you ready to swim?
Yeah, I'm swim under the water.
You gonna put your head under today?
I'm scared.
Ooh, you can't be scared.
Yes, I am.
No, you could do it. Remember?
I know. I can do it. I can do it. I can do it. I'm scared. See that? It's Elsa.
Yep.
I'm like Elsa. What is Oh, I'm scared of bugs, Mom.
Oh, hey, turtle. Let's go, turtle. Be careful.
Come on, let's go. Let's go.
How are you? Come on.
Well, there's lollipops that you get popcorn.
Come on. Zylah, stop playing. Good job. Come on. Ooh. Come on, get up fast. Let me see. Good job.
No.
I loved it.
Here.
You did amazing. You did amazing. So, after swimming, we are gonna check out. Ready, set, fun. I love this place.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
How are you?
Hello. Okay. Take off your jacket. Come on, go.
Oh my God, yes. What am I gonna do with you? With these fries?
You good? You had fun? You went swimming? What else?
I went to the playground and I'm mad at you.
Why you mad at me?
And you spilled the milkshake.
You spilled. That's not a milkshake. That is hot chocolate, baby girl. We went to another little indoor playground. Now we are going to get some food. Right?
It's hot chocolate. I farted.
So let's stop being gross. Oh my gosh. Having a kid, they're gross. Kids are so gross. They're nasty. Y'all are nasty little human beings. You're nasty. Stop burping. Ladies don't burp. Yeah, we do. So yeah, we are headed to Flying Biscuit to get us some breakfast.
If you see this girl in your basement,
God, this is good. Anything can go out food. Come here. Eat your food. We'll go home. You want waffle too? Okay. Hold on. Sit down.
We don't talk about
Stop. It's good? Yeah. So we have our garden and we just finished planting stuff in our garden. And I can't wait to see what it's gonna bring. So over here I planted, oh shoot, what did I plant over here? I think it was, over here I planted basil. We have green peppers and we have cucumbers and tomatoes. But tomatoes, it's not the season yet for it. Right? Are we going to water? Come over here. So I'm making dinner tonight and I wanted to throw these in here. Idea has sent me these brush sets and spatulas and I love that they are so small. They are silicone and I just absolutely love color. So I'm gonna leave it down below. You can save some money off and let's keep going. So I really didn't know what I wanted to cook today, but I'm gonna be making some General Toast chicken. Super easy to make. I'm actually gonna have a tutorial for this.
It was you who had a business defrauding investors. And if I don't get your side of the story, that's what I have to print. Or